Inno Cleanse Supps Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. If you're exploring detox or digestive supplements, Inno Cleanse Supps might seem appealing, but most people get this wrong by assuming all supplements work the same for everyone. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects formulation, serving size, and claims rather than guaranteed results. Products usually cost per bottle, with monthly subscription options that may reduce per unit costs slightly. Prices include the supplement itself, but may exclude shipping depending on the plan. What you get: a natural supplement aimed at supporting digestive health and detoxification, convenient daily dosing, and subscription options for ongoing use. What you give up: the cost of trial and error, as results vary by individual, and possible shipping fees or subscription commitments. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Start with a small bottle or trial period to assess tolerance. Step 2. Combine with proper hydration, diet, and exercise for best results. Step 3. Read ingredient lists for allergens or sensitivities. Step 4. Consider subscription plans only if you're satisfied with initial results. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore these steps. You could spend money on a supplement that doesn't meet your needs. The surprising truth is that Inno Cleanse Supps may help some users, but personal factors determine effectiveness. In conclusion, Inno Cleanse Supps offers a convenient supplement with transparent pricing. By starting small, monitoring results, and combining with healthy habits, you can get the most value for your money.